How to download Life360 app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, head over to your App Store. Once you are in the store, tap on the search bar and search for Life360. In the search result, you will see the Life360 app with this kind of logo. Once you find and confirm this app, in the right hand side you can see the install option. If you are on your iPhone, you might see the get option. You can simply tap on it to start downloading this app on your phone. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, you can see this open button over here. If you tap on it, it will directly launch the app. You can now create your account and start exploring this app. So that's how you can easily download Life360 app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.